This is Annie. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hey, you just look stunning.
How are you?
Where are you from originally?
I was kind of a nerd growing up, so.
Yeah. Yes, sir. I like that.
Okay, Annie, round 3.
Yes, sir.
How was today?
I mean, it was a night and day difference.
Okay, so I'm back in New York with Annie.
We are back.
For episode 3. We had the first episode maybe like a year ago. Second episode maybe like 8 months ago. And today we're gonna do third episode. See how Annie's doing. How's it been since last year?
It's been great. I've come to a lot of understandings, especially with just like expressing myself when I see something that I like or that somebody is wearing. In the past, I would just, try to hesitate and, just come up with a lot of like different excuses and like imaginations as to like how that person would react. I thought that people were way meaner than they actually ended up being in real life. But in reality, the only thing that's fully in my control is how I express what I want to say.
Anything to say before we start this kickoff season 3?
Let's get this started. Hey. Hey, you just look amazing.
Oh, thanks very much.
I figured that guy didn't have anything too creative to fucking say, so I decided to wait.
No, it's fine. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend.
Oh, boyfriend, you're breaking my heart already. Have a good day.
Bye.
Damn, Annie, bro. The tone of your voice is so different, dude.
Biggest difference that I felt the nerves still, like they were still there, but I didn't let them just completely take me over. Hey, hello. You just look amazing today. What are you up to? Well, I just had to come say that. You have a great day.
You're all cocky and stuff? Wow.
Nah.
I would not really wave, like waving is like, I feel like it's a bit odd. Like I would just say, hey, excuse me. I feel like you went very fast. You're kind of like, hey, you're very cute. Or
yeah.
Just, like I think you were almost too excited to like tell her what you had to say. Just slow down a little bit.
Yeah. Excuse me. Hi, you just look amazing today. How are you doing? Definitely was far from my best. I will wholeheartedly admit that.
First of all, I think you want to stop waving. Just capture people's attention on your voice. And then, when you tell the girl like you look amazing, the topic of the conversation is not how beautiful she is.
Yeah.
This is just like a side comment you give her at the beginning just to tell her why you're talking to her.
Yeah.
Just make it a bit more casual.
Hey, excuse me? You look amazing today. How's your day been so far? Like this place? You gotten anything yet? Really good. What are you up to today other than exploring Cafe Paris?
Yeah, I just like in Sunday to get croissant and cafe.
Just chilling on a Memorial Day? Yeah, it's really nice outside today. Well, I just came by to say that. I just hope you enjoy your meal and take care. Yeah, you have a good day.
Why don't you leave her number?
That is a very good question.
Okay, so go back.
Yeah, no, 100%. Hi, girl. I'm so sorry, but I just love to grab a drink maybe sometime with you. Oh, right now? Oh, yeah, bet. I'm Ani. And where are you from originally?
Grab a coffee. Okay, I like to play this game.
All right. So your accent, I'm gonna guess somewhere in Europe. Starters. It's 1 out of 3. 2 more to go. Turkey.
Okay, let's make it easier. You know Mediterranean countries?
Greece.
Close.
Egypt. Should have known. You're saying like Greece and then South and then like Middle East. I was like, what is that country? It's right there on my tongue. So what do you like to do other than exploring different cafes?
Overwhelming nostalgic feeling. Well, I like those days. I will say sometimes grab a book and read.
But it's just really nice feeling that I appreciate feeling.
Yes. Seems like a perfect day for a random walk.
Museums.
Did you order anything from me?
Perfect.
already.
Oh, it's done. Wow. By the looks of it, was 5 out of 5 stars from your. I'd love to, have this conversation again. You have a number or social media? That's you.
But have you been living here long? Like,
I've lived in New Jersey since 2006. Yeah, so like 15 years, 16 years.
that since you were like
Yep, pretty much.
But you're not born here.
No, I was born in Indiana.
Indiana?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It was great talking to you. It was. If I'm ever around in New York City, you have my contact. I'd love to have another drink sometime. Just let me know. You have a great day.
That was nice because you were
are
kind
back.
of like pushing out at some point, and then you went back, and
Yeah.
it was really nice.
Yeah, no, I did not expect that. I just had a nice conversation. I mean, it wasn't really anything that deep, honestly. Just
That's fine.
having a nice talk.
If I were to give you just one feedback, like most people when they meet someone new, they're tempted to like exchange information.
Yeah.
Oh, what do you do? Do you do like this? Do you like that? Like stuff like that. I would encourage you to try to play with people. Try to be playful, because it's not so much about the exchange of information. It's more about like the rhythm of the conversation.
Hey, excuse me. You look amazing today.
Thank you.
Have a good one. My vibe was completely off. Did the thing again where I was like, you look amazing, and then that's pretty much I was just like transferring the
it's
data
like,
point.
Thank you.
Like, yeah, exactly.
Even you excuse me,
It's like,
it's very cautious. Like there's a lot of distance in your speech.
Yeah.
You try to be more familiar.
yeah, genuine. Hey, you look amazing today. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just trying to have a day by myself.
Oh, I respect that. You have a great one. On that one, it was a bit better, but still more the same issue, honestly.
It's not better. It's the same.
It's literally the same, yeah.
Almost say like the sky is blue. You look great today. Like it should be. You like say it normally.
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
to say it with the same lightness as you say the sky is blue.
Right now, it feels like my parents just like forced me to come out here and go with Ruben to sit for 5 hours. Otherwise, I'm grounded for the rest of the week. As long as I keep feeling that, that's always gonna transfer from me to the other person, which naturally makes them now feel more uncomfortable, and it's just a downward spiral. Okay, excuse me. You look amazing.
Thanks.
Hi, how's your day been?
Good.
What are you up to other than enjoying this sunny day? What are you reading? Oh, is that like fiction, non-fiction?
It's fiction. I just started it.
Oh, you got a long way to go.
Well, it's short.
You gonna get through this by the time you leave here today? Is that the goal? Is that the plan?
Maybe. It's only 200 pages.
Definitely a doable goal.
I'm at 32.
Well, that's 170 more to go in 2 hours. Easy. What are you up to other than chilling on this sunny day? What do you do generally?
Alright, well, I'm gonna keep reading. But
Yeah,
have a good day.
I'd love to get a drink or a coffee.
I'm sorry, I'm like not dating right now.
I'll take it as a compliment and enjoy your day,
Yeah.
truly. Have a good one. I definitely felt better doing that one.
Yeah, it's just that in your general tone of voice, you're still talking to a stranger basically. And you
Yeah,
want to like move towards more like a friend.
friendly. The vibe is more important than anything you say. Hey, excuse me. You look amazing today. You look amazing. I just had to come say hello.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
What are you up to?
Just reading.
Mind if I? Oh no, sorry, not mind if I. What are you reading?
I'm reading Verity by
Yo, damn. You like enjoying reading in the sun generally? Or?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I gave up reading a long time ago, but I'm just meaning to. I don't know. It's just the smartphone era, I guess.
Yeah,
It's really hard to get back into it.
Yeah.
I generally used to like science fiction. I was kind of a nerd growing up, so yeah, that's why I guess I'm an engineer now. So it's
that's
my
awesome.
calling. What about you?
I'm in business, so
Do you go to school here? Or?
I have an internship actually. Here,
That's
so I'm here for the
fine.
summer.
Did I get your name? I don't think.
What's your name?
Ani.
Nice to meet you.
Yes. I'll let you get back to reading, but I'd love to get a drink,
Get a
coffee,
drink? Yeah, sure.
feeling more casual. You have a number?
There you are. Nice
Thank
to meet
you. Nice to meet you.
Finally, huh? Nice.
Like that wasn't like it's just a normal conversation. It was natural. I was just talking to one of my close friends.
If I were to give you one feedback is, I think that, you know, whenever you feel tense and you don't know what to say, you have this urge to just talk about yourself. You know, you go in little like stories about like school and this and that. Just try to relax more.
Yeah, no,
Okay?
it's
Just be aware of it. It's not interesting. It's just that the question is, why do you say what you say? Do you say what you say because it really fits the moment, or do you say what you say because you're anxious and you're just like looking for something in your head? You know, and so you want to be self-aware of that.
No, 100%. Hey, you look really pretty. Hi, I'm Ani. Nice to meet you. What's your name? What are you up to today, other than the lift? Oh, heading out to early partying already at 6 p.m.
Sir.
Yes, sir. I like that. Can't help but notice. What tattoo is that on your left arm? Is that a poodle? Yeah.
It's a lamb.
Oh my god, I thought that was a poodle.
A bulldog.
A bulldog.
I
Yeah.
didn't get this permanently tatted on my body for someone to call it a bulldog.
No, yeah, that's honestly that's the worst. Like you get something to have
Like
an
someone
intention.
calls it a bulldog.
Yeah, like it's piece of purpose. Like tattoo is supposed to be who you are.
Yeah, not bulldog.
Yeah, not a bulldog, definitely not. Yeah. Well, I'll let you get back to waiting for your lift. But I'd love to get a drink or a coffee. If you're feeling more casual.
Well, I have a boyfriend.
No, a boyfriend. No. I'm disappointed. I'm heartbroken. Well, take it as a compliment. Take care. Definitely not as good as the last one, but definitely in the right direction.
Better than the other ones, yeah.
100%.
More relaxed for sure.
Yeah, and I even made the joke about the tattoo and like how she was like, "Oh fuck you," and then normally if I was nervous, I would have taken that negatively and been like, "Oh, well, what does that say about me?"
Yeah.
Blah blah. But
But
instead,
you were able to stay playful.
exactly. Hey, you look amazing today. Oh, fuck with the bow and arrow tattoo. Is that Valentine's Day?
No, it's something my dad would say when I was younger.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, that's crazy. Oh, and that one too.
Yeah,
Holy.
Do you have any tattoos?
Oh no, not yet.
You're planning, yeah. What's like your first?
I was thinking the Airbender, but like now that I see everyone getting it,
I do whatever speaks
Yeah,
to you.
no.
It doesn't matter if it's cliche or not.
Yeah.
You know? I mean, you could say that like fish are fucking cliche, you know?
Yeah, that is true.
It's your body, you know?
That's fucking facts. Like
Yeah.
as long as it speaks to something you believe in.
Exactly, that's all that matters.
Yeah, that's all
as
that
long as it's
matters.
happy, you know?
What do you do for fun other than aquatic tattoos?
I make music. I love
Really?
bubble tea. Yeah.
So am I talking to the next pop artist, Emmy winner, or
Maybe.
Grammys?
Do you like EDM music?
I listen to it at the club and stuff.
Yeah, I do a bunch of work with like those artists.
Do you like produce or do you?
I vocal produce and I sing. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Do you use like FL or are you more?
Ableton.
Ableton.
Yeah.
I was more of an FL because I make instrumentals, but more towards like trap music.
oh, fun.
Yeah.
That feels good for that.
Yeah, 100%.
That's cool. So what's like your favorite genre?
Definitely trap, but like I've noticed a lot that like that kind of music has been heavily influenced by like EDM stuff over the past
I mean,
few
all
years.
of it crosses.
Yeah.
You know? The more everything becomes pop, all of it, you're
Yeah.
like, oh, that sounds like that song. That
Yeah,
sounds like that song.
exactly.
Yeah. So that's cool.
What other music are you into?
I like indie pop, I like rock pop singers.
So you have a variety of interests.
Yeah, it depends on the mood, of course.
Of course,
right?
yeah.
Like, I'll like have my mornings and want to listen to like hardcore EDM, and
Yeah.
the next time you're like, I need a nice acoustic.
Yeah, I need to, just chill, listen to some relaxing music.
Exactly. It's like Playboy Party, like your ultimate
Yeah.
type of genre.
Hype, yeah.
Yeah.
Just the hype music. I
Yeah,
really
no,
like
that's
that
good.
and enjoy
That's
that.
what my boyfriend listens to.
No, boyfriend. No, you
I'm
disappointed
sorry.
me. Oh my god. No, I'm gonna have to take the train home feeling
I'm
heartbroken.
sorry.
Oh no. Oh my god. I didn't get your name though. What was your name?
Nice to meet you.
No, it was really
Good
nice
talking
meeting
to
you.
you. Nice
Yeah.
meeting you.
Yeah. Thank you. You have a
a good
great
one.
day.
That was nice.
That was great. Still asking questions, but like for the most part, You know, it just felt, again, just natural. I was just kicking it, just making jokes. You know,
I
that
just want
was...
these two things. Is first, you point in very weird ways. Like, you're kind of like, oh, this. You point like a kid. Like, well, you like to talk about tattoos. I feel like tattoos, as soon as the
That's
girl
like
has
a
a tattoo,
crutch.
like you use it as a crutch.
Like, I was, you know, kind of losing myself, losing my happiness and energy, but I just pretty much just remembered why I'm actually going up to them. It's not to like have a fucking logical conversation and charge them $10.50 for like a compliment or something. You know, like I mean, like, they look good.
It's to talk to someone, like,
yeah,
you're trying to meet someone.
a human being. Yes,
Exactly.
So, just, I mean, it seems simple, but that's literally the biggest thing that I changed. Hello, hi, can you hear me? You look, you just look stunning today. Yeah. Hi. Hi. What are you up to?
Just walking.
Just walking. Amani,
Nice to meet you.
what are you up to today?
I don't know, I'm French, so you know, I'm just visiting the park.
French. Oh,
Yes.
nice. Parler français. That's like the one thing I remember from French class in like high school. You know. But what are you up to other than enjoying this good ass day today? It's an amazing day. You know, it's like the perfect temperature.
Nice. It's the first time I come here and it's amazing.
Oh, really?
Just in holidays here.
Oh, okay. Nice. I'm from New Jersey originally, but I moved from India at like 5 years old, and I've been in NJ ever since. Well, I'd love to grab a coffee or a drink if you're feeling more ambitious with you.
When?
I mean, when are you free? I'm free next week or a week after, anytime really. Just let me know.
Yes, why not?
Why not? All right, you have a number and shit?
Yes, that's me.
It was really great to meet you.
Nice to meet
I'll hit
you.
you up. Take care. Way to bounce back, I guess.
Yeah, way to bounce back.
One thing I will say is I definitely still like use questions and stuff as like a crutch, like something to hold on
You do
to.
multiple things with it. You use questions and you randomly start talking about your life.
Yeah, I feel like that's just a bad habit. My most takeaway, the one thing I can say is just keep going. Like, I was a train wreck the first 2 times, and even those 2 times at the end, it ended up being positive. So like, you just gotta stay through the process and just push through those initial nerves, and you'll just unlock who you really are. And just once you're able to express that to other people, it's like you can't stop. Even before like this even happened, like there's never in a million years would I've ever believed that like even talking to them was possible, like on a dime like this. And let's just say these past 3 episodes have been a complete mind opener.
Any last words?
Just keep going, keep pushing through, and anyone can do it. And I wish everyone the strength and courage to do it, like the other subscribers said. This shit is hard. So
Nice.